Hey y'all, hey. So this weekend I wanted to test out a new soap that I thought about. In the midst of that, I got an order for some baby soap. She said her baby was having issues with the store-bought soap. So instantly I thought about my best-selling oatmeal mint soap. Instead of the mint, I added lavender to it. Look how cute this soap turned out. This was my first time using this type mold, and it was a baby mold that I got a while ago. It's a baby laying on the moon. Oh, look at there. So I'm pouring it into the mold again. And I had to repeat this process a couple different times because I only bought one mold. A couple of sprays of alcohol and added oatmeal. I added a few more pieces of oatmeal and a couple more spritz of alcohol and she is done. Okay, we done molding this one. And this one turned out cute too. I'm so glad that none of the little babies broke. Repeating the process one more time, adding soap. Now this one I sped it up a little bit just because y'all seen it the first time. So we added the soap, the oatmeal. Now this one's done. So we unmolding this one. This one came out perfect as well. I had a little soap left over, so why not create one for my grandbaby? He needed some soap too, so I just wanted to go ahead and do another one for him because we don't waste no soap. Turned out so cute. I think I'm gonna go ahead and add these to the website as well. So I am now selling baby soap, I guess. So they'll be in lavender and unscented.